Hi there. Today we will fix Photoshop error scratch disks are full. We will do some simple clicks only. Press and hold Windows, Shift and Alt. Click on Photoshop icon to launch. If this comes, press Yes. Now come to Edit. Preferences. Then General tab. At the left side click Scratch Disks. Now simply click all the drives you have to increase the disk size more. When done, click OK. When you create any new file, make sure that this is in pixel. Because, in inches, sometimes we take abnormal number and thus this problem occurs even after having enough space in C drive. So, this is how you can simply fix this issue of Photoshop in a minute. Hope you found this video useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.